name is Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist. I'm going to show you how to draw with the rectangular tool in Photoshop. There's a bunch of different options that come with the rectangle tool and with the shape tool in general, but when drawing with it, there's, like I said, a bunch of different cool styles. There's like glass buttons, for example. Those are pretty cool. But if you're going to draw, for example, if you want to draw a rectangle, but you want it to have a border around it, and when you don't want this style anymore, just click the style on this little right-hand arrow, hold that down and say no style. So then it'll just be white. All right, so now select your shape, go to FX, and then go to FX and then go to stroke. And this will just add a line around your square. So if you want this as a border or whatever. The rectangle tool does play a really good part as like a border maker. And it also can be used as a text box. I'll show you. Now I've got my rectangle made. And if you select the type tool and you click your shape with the type tool, it'll usually let you write right inside of it. And if you want to change the color, just double click on your layer and select the color and it'll change it automatically. My name is Alex, and this is how you draw with the rectangle tool in Photoshop. Thank you.